I'm very happy. Because we finally got our sunny day. Then Zhao Lixan came to apply a cotton sheet. Apply it for about 5 minutes. It really is. Recently, this face has been very, very sensitive. You can see, if I wipe my face now, it will become the very red one. Then apply this sunscreen. This sunscreen I have to talk about. Just this flowing texture. I use 4 pumps. Then wipe it off your face. It's still relatively moist. Then it's also refreshing, but even if there is no follow-up, there will be no mud rubbing. But this is very important. My skin is very sensitive at this time. Stimulate my face with this very much. This hand hurts. So if you have sensitive skin, you can ignore it at all. Then I also showed you the dosage of the liquid foundation. That's about it. I chose this color this time. It looks fine now. But there seems to be a little redness in the follow-up. I don't know if it's my illusion. But overall, moisturization, then the makeup effect is still very good. Then we will quickly bring the base makeup. There's no particular trick here. This puff is hard to use. It's hard to use. It looks good, but it's hard to use. Powder is easy to use. Suddenly froze. Then just set it to matte. Okay, let's fix our nose. Today's nose. The repair will feel a little weird. The nose. The big one. Look at it. Today's little 8 characters. The painting is also a little more parallel. Okay, cover it first, set it in place, and then start smudging. My end is just smudging casually. This is smudging inward, right? This is the direction. Scan inside. Same here. Okay, this is also smudge inside first. Then smudge it on the back of the nose. Someone asked me what the back of the nose is. Dorsum of the nose. It's hard to tell what the dorsum of the nose is. I don't know what a nasal dorsum is either. But it's the bridge of your nose. With yours. Face. The middle section is the dorsum of the nose. Then give our eyes also. Roughly reduce the swelling. You can see I only brushed the end of my eyes. The end of the eye socket is heavier. It's all swept away. Then bring a little eyeshadow under the eyes. Bring it a little bit in front, mainly deepen the second half. Then it feels not heavy enough and deepens. Then what about this facelift? It is grayed out as a whole. If it is yellow and black, well, I suggest you still do the same as me. Neutralize him with a blush. Because it feels like most of the yellow and black skins, he doesn't really need that cold tones. Basically still. A warmer tone would be better. Okay, here's a little triangle on the nose to brighten it up. Rub it with your hand. I actually really like using my fingers in makeup. This tool. You have no idea how good fingers are. It feels like a really powerful tool. What are you doing? And then here's the little brush to brighten it up. Our eyes. Just brighten it up a little bit. The nose without changing the tendons is not very well repaired. A little sad. And then it's our grooming color. Today's eyebrows? He has a frown as a whole. A flatter feeling. Look at my deepened eyebrows here. Brow position, it's all a little above. The overall eyebrow shape is relatively flat. Because my eyebrow tail is missing, the end of the eyebrow is just a little more. The eyebrow tail is a little short. Okay, then use our dark brown. A colored eyebrow cream. Comb him up naturally. Then use our eyeshadow disc today. This is the second time this eyeshadow disc has appeared. I use it now and I feel it works pretty well. Use one of these first. Beige is on the bottom of the whole eyelid. This way the order is convenient for subsequent smudging. Then use another color similar to the facelift color. This is also partial. A color with a little cement. Oh, slowly smudge against the root of the eyelashes. It also smudges about half of the eyelid. Do not exceed the range of the first primer just now. This is just smudging in circles, anything will do. Then I still use a small brush. Then deepen the second half of our lower eyeshadow. Use a bias. Well, this one is a little warmer. Or use this little brush, you see it just deepens. It starts to deepen at the back of the eye, then slowly smudge forward. The end of the eye. Today's eye makeup is mainly at the end of the eyes. The color is heavier, then the color of the eyes is a little lighter. Okay, another one is that this one is a little beige apricot. That is, beginners can use this color completely. Sweep the eyelids as a whole. It can be cleaner. Looks a bit like a blush color with this. Scan the entire lower eyeshadow. Okay, I'll use the darkest color again. Deepen that down too. Then there will be a little bit. It feels right to draw it. Even the end of the upper eye is also connected. It feels a little bit like half a pack of eyeliner. The eye should also be added here. Got another smaller brush. Deepen the corner of our eye a little bit. Slightly back up. It's not obvious at once. There's a double eyelid there. There is specific tutorials, so we will skip it. If you look at it head up, is this flat fan type. Brush eyelashes as a base. Brush mascara. Brush the upper and lower eyelashes. Then use a sudaji style. Stick it under the eyelashes. After pasting, use your finger to go. Press harder. Then adjust the shape. Then use the eyelash curler to curl it. But I didn't shoot this step. Wow, it looks good, Mei Mei. Use eyelash glue pen. What eyelash glue pen? Eyeliner pen. Open a small eye. But this one? On the eyes. A little less colored, I feel. You can exchange for something better. I'll just open a little round head. But you have to get this color right, preferably brown. But not too dark brown. We also need to deepen our lower limbs, then with a corner brush. Or take one of the details to brush things. Give him this black one. First, draw an eyeliner outline. Our eyeliner today is very, very short. Be a little more conservative when you start. Just don't pull a special circle at once. You see, I just pulled it out so much it's not even above the end of my eye. Then smudge forward. Straddle up as a whole. Just a little bit of that little smoky feeling. Okay, our eyes. I need to go a little deeper here. In fact, I don't think it's okay to deepen. But I always like to overdo it. The soft taste needs to be deepened and the eyes can be used without it. Okay, let's mix the two colors. Draw our Aegyo saliva. Just keep smudging. Smudge, 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 smudge. I keep grinding him back and forth like this. Grows into the shape of Aegyo saliva. Because of this small, the brush is a little flat thickness. Then rub it off with your fingers. That one. Be considerate of Aegyo saliva. Then use one of these fine glitter. Brighten our eyes. Draw a small C. Eye up, eye down. You can rub it with your fingers. It will be more natural. Then Aegyo saliva can bring some casually. It's okay not to bring it. Does not affect. Then use our eyeliner pen, which is still brown. Light brown, light brown. One by one. Just draw the lower eyelashes a little bit. I draw very little, really very little. It's easy to copy and paste. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, it's our blush again. I really love these two blushes because it really is very versatile. I feel all kinds of can go. Then this shrink blush, you hit the outer outline. Don't be confused. You see, I scan the outer contour the whole time. Don't hit too much inside. Let's start with your lateral cheekbone. It's the outline. Broaden a little bit. But no, not too much. Don't be too greedy. Just hit it completely in... No way! Okay. And a small jawline. Draw one of those. Or do you use a small ribbon cutting brush? Or take this color. Give the whole grooming with a little orange warm tone. In this way, the overall makeup will be more harmonious. Adjust a little. Perfect! Okay, with our matte highlights, let's fix our makeup. This way, the overall makeup looks cleaner. Then it is more three-dimensional. Skinny. But if you are lazy, in fact, this step is not necessary. It doesn't really matter. I don't think it has much influence, but I like to draw. What does this contact lens turn into? So if you buy a highlight model, you have to keep spinning it every now and then. Only use it when it is suitable for taking pictures. It's easy to use. Use our fine flash and just a little bit more on the nose. Just draw a horizontal line. Then draw one on the bridge of the nose. Rub it with your fingers to make it more natural. Then the eyebrow bone should be brightened a little bit. Brighten the brow bone. Our cheekbones are not brightened today. Okay, let's do lip liner. Yes, you can draw with your mouth open. I woke up a little bit. You can't quite see it? Then draw a small U here. This piece and the person and then the corner of the mouth should be sweet. Because the corner of the mouth is easy to eat, it is colorless. Okay, then use that little brush on the other end of it. Small lip brush handle. Lip line smudged. Smudge a little naturally. Dye this to the overall lip line area. Then what color is this? Ice, right? The color I use the most? The naked ice out? Because this color is really, really versatile. I feel almost any makeup can be controlled. Just put it all over your mouth. Then no matter what you stack on the back or what, it all fits. Simple stacking is very suitable. And then there's another one in the middle. Forgot what color? It's just an orange color. I don't know why it came out so thick, but it's actually pretty. Okay, bye. Show.